Hello everyone, that is a bad glare. Today I am going to show you how to make bird sounds with your hands and your mouth. So what you do is you put your hand this way where your fingers meet your palm, and you fold your hand down here and make like a little air pocket so there's a hole, and then put your thumbs over your pointer finger and blow into your knuckle. Might take me a few tries. And that's how you do it. One more time, I'll show you. A hand where your fingers meet your palm, fold, thumbs, blow. And that is how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see all you guys in the next video. See ya!